Hi friends, how are you doing? I hope you all will be fine and happy. In the last lesson, I have already told you about these 7 tools. Before starting the lesson, let me tell you one important thing, that apart from English, I am also making my videos in Hindi and Urdu. You can see the lesson of Hindi and Urdu in my Hindi Urdu playlist, or you can watch the entire playlist by clicking or touching the end screen in the end of this video. Before starting this lesson, I would like to say you one more thing. Please subscribe and like my channel, because a lot of time is spent in making one lesson and it takes a lot of effort. I get a lot of satisfaction when you subscribe and like my channel. And you may ask any question related to the 3D product designing. Drop your message or question in the message box. In this lesson, I will teach you how we can convert or change these line shapes into 3D object. Let's start with this Polyline tool. Click this tool and click in the port anywhere. I already told you it is just for practice, so you can start from anywhere. Make this line segment of 10 inch. Press 10 in the keyboard. Now you can see it is stick at 10 inch. Because of this, you cannot increase or decrease of this. If you want to change the line size, you have to go to the command bar and read this number. I will change it to the 12 inch. And click. Now I will take 5 inch, press 5 in the keyboard and click here. Check the auto tab is on or highlighted, or check the same grid snap tab. This should be highlighted for the accurate work. Because of these tabs, your pointer will go to the straight direction. Now I will take 8 inch, press 8 in the command bar and click here. Finish this command by pressing the enter key. Now I will make a pipe of half inch dia of this line. Your line should be selected. Now drop down the solid menu and select the pipe command. Here you can see your pointer. Give it 0.25 inch for the half inch dia and press enter. Now you will see that it has come to the end of the line. Here also you give it the same number, 0.25, and press enter 2 times. Now you can see your pipe is ready. Click twice onto the top viewport tab and see here in the perspective viewport. Click here on this arrow and click the render. Now you can see the real look of the pipe. Now we will shift this object to another place by the help of Gumball. First select it, hold this red arrow and move it to the back side of this arrow to here. Now hold this green arrow and move it to here. One more thing I will tell you in this chapter, I am changing my zoom view by spinning my mouse wheel. Roll the mouse wheel upward for the zoom in and roll backward for zoom out. Friends, now we will take control point curve. Click the tool, click in port here and click here and click here. Finish the command by pressing the enter key. We will make it a square pipe. For applying any command, the object should be selected. So select it, go to the solid menu and click this slab command. Give it 1 inch here in the command bar. Press 1. Don't press the enter and click 1 time here. Now come to the front viewport. Give the height with the same number, 1 inch. Now press enter. In the perspective viewport, you can see your object. It is a square pipe. Now drag your pointer from right to the left direction to select all these by touching this dark gray dotted lines. Now rotate it with the help of Gumball here in the front viewport. This time your ortho tab should be highlighted for 90-degree rotation or straight rotation. Now rotate it and place by this arrow to here, and click this cancel tool. Double click this top viewport to single viewport. Now you can see clear everything here in this viewport. Now I am going to take the circle tool. Click the circle tool click here in the middle of the viewport. You can click anywhere, it is just for practice. And give the radius 5 inch for 10 inch dia in the command bar, because radius is half of the dia. The line should be selected before applying any command. Drop this solid menu again. Click pipe command, give it half inch in the command bar. Here 0.5 and press enter. Click here, give another side 0.25 inch in command bar and press enter again. Now you can see the pipe shape is different than first one. Click twice this tab to make it 4 viewport look in the perspective viewport. Click the empty area. Now you can see the pipe shape is different than first one. And place it here by holding the gumball arrow and select all these stuff and place them here. Now I will take ellipse tool. Click the ellipse tool. Click here in the top viewport and give it 9 inch. See the 9 inch. Press enter and click here. And for the another side, give it 5 inch and click here. Now the ellipse is ready. It should be selected before applying the command. I already told you, go to the surface menu and select planar curve. Here you will see that your ellipse has been changed to a plane surface. See, now we will go to the front viewport. Click twice this tab to make it single viewport. Now I will take arc tool. Click the arc tool and click here in the empty area of the port. Give it 6 inch in the command bar. Press enter key and click here and roll it up to here and click here. Now it is finished. Select the arc, go to the surface menu, select revolve. First click here and second click here and give it full circle here in command bar. Here you can see object I just make. See, you can see here in the perspective viewport. Keep in your mind that this revolve command works like a Potter wheels. Let's go back to the top viewport again. Click twice again. Now I will work with rectangle tool. Click this tool, click in the empty area and give the first side of 20 inch here in the command bar. Press enter, and for the second side press 10 inch and press enter again. Now you can see your rectangle is ready. Now come to the front viewport, go to the solid menu, come to extrude planar curve and click straight. Give here the size half inch, mean 0.5 inch and press enter. Click twice here and you can see your object here. Now shaded preview so you can see clear everything here. And the rendered view you can see like this, look like a real. Let's go back to the top viewport again. Now I will make an object by polygon tool. Click this polygon tool, click here in the empty area of the top viewport, give it 5 inch in the command bar. See, you can see here 5 and click. Don't press the enter, only click. Now you can see your polygon is ready. Now I will make a rotated copy by rotation command, because I will make a different object. Because of this I am making a copy, but rotated copy. Go to the transform menu and click rotate and click in the center of the polygon for accurate rotation. And be sure in command bar your copy should be set on yes. If not, click it, then it will become set on yes. You can see here, because of this it will make a rotated copy of the object and give it 22.5 for the rotation angle. It is quarter of the 90 degree and press enter and click enter. Here you can see 2 polygon including rotated copy of the polygon. First select this one and come to the front viewport and shift it to the here. Now come into the top viewport again, click one time and drag it to here. See in the perspective viewport, click this arrow, small arrow, and make it wireframe so you can see your both polygon here in the viewport. Select them by dragging right to left and go to the surface menu and click the Loft command and press enter. Leave all the setting as is and press OK. In the perspective viewport, click render so you can see the object. Now I will close both sides of this object. For this, go to the solid menu and click cap planar hole. Now you can see both sides has been closed. Click twice to the perspective viewport to make it single viewport. Here you can see all your object you just made. So guys, this lesson is finished. In the next lesson I will make a wood stool in a realistic form so you can give it to your carpenter friend for making that stool with all the sizes and with its all parts design also. For the next lesson notification, please subscribe and like my channel. When I will upload my next lesson, you can get a notification from YouTube. If you have subscribed the channel, then you will get all the notifications. If you have any question, please drop it in my comments box and please tell me how I am going. It is easy for you or not. Here in the end screen you can see all my videos, and please subscribe and like my channel because a lot of time is spent in making one lesson and it takes a lot of effort. And thank you for watching this video. Bye. See you again in the next lesson.